When I had the opportunity to buy this store, it was broken, but it was available, and I love Indiana, and I love Toyota, and so I decided to buy it. When we came here, we knew that the process of buying a car was daunting for everyone, but particularly women. And we recognized that women make up 60% of our buyers. Why exclude 60%? It's kind of dumb to try to make a living on 40%. Recognizing that women were underserved in this market, we decided to invite women into our store and host these events.
Our first event was a Heels and Wheels event, which was a service clinic.
We talk about servicing a car, how to change a tire, how to check the fluids.
And it was a huge success, and we had a lot of people come in from the community that had never been in our store before.
We've hosted events about personal finance.
And then we are also starting some car buying clinics.
Every detail of the purchase process.
It's really about empowering women to feel strong. That gives them that feeling of comfort with their vehicle.
We still have the best car, but that's not enough. This has to be the best experience you could ever have.
It's the people that you see when you walk in the door who really make the experience.
They go above and beyond to provide service and to provide interaction and to provide friendship.
I think all Toyota dealers understand the importance of women in the marketplace. Where we fail sometimes is we don't take the time to make sure that everybody in our stores embrace that philosophy. We recognize that, and we go to great lengths to make sure that that doesn't happen here. It was all about teaching. We had to change the culture. We have a female service manager. She has the respect of all of our customers.
I like that there's a female presence in the service department. Just to know that there are women that have knowledge base in addition to the male presence.
For those of us who look at situations where women have been overlooked and work on changing that, it's how we feel. It's not something we just do to sell a car.
They appreciate me as a customer as much as the next guy.
It's rewarding to treat customers the way they expect to be treated, and even better.
We have developed lifetime customers, women that appreciate what we've done, and all of the people that we've been so lucky to serve will come back again and again and again and again. And so we just grow our family.